We're going to focus in on Palantir Technologies. PLTR is the symbol here. So let's take a look at the chart and see what we can figure out here. So more recently, you've seen that the stock has had an enormous run higher from the low to mid single digits and now is up to the low to mid teens here. Stock since the start of May is up probably close to 100%, as it's had some really strong price bars here, along with some really heavy volume, as you can see right in here. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But you can see I traced out a Fibonacci on this weekly chart of Palantir. Now, the daily chart is obviously showing some parabolic qualities here, so we're not going to use that. We're going to go back to the weekly chart here to see if we can find out some levels where we could head to. So tracing back to the mid September highs in 2021, we do a Fibonacci retracement from that level, about $30, all the way down to the more recent one at about $6 at the end of 2022, and we get a 50% retracement at about 18. It just crossed that 38% retracement level, so it had a lot of room up here. I suspect it's going to bounce around here in this range for a little while, about between 1480 and 17 or 18 for a little bit before it makes another run up here. But I think ultimately the goal is to get the stock up to about 30 bucks. Now, taking a look at some of the indicators towards the bottom over here, we can see checking money flow is starting to get positive again on this weekly chart. The MACD on the weekly has been on a strong buy signal since the middle part of 2022, where the stock really wasn't doing a whole heck of a lot, but still MACD was showing some positive bullish qualities through 2022. And then finally, the last two, on balance volume. Look at this surge in volume last couple of weeks. It's really been very, very strong. So on balance volume, this is a positive divergence when we see prices starting to break out with strong volume, which is basically the on balance volume is the cumulative volume for a stock or an index. That is on a positive divergence right now. And then finally, full stochastics we see is quite overbought over here. And, could it roll over? Sure. But again, we think that this support level from the Fibonacci retracement, call it about 1470, is pretty good, strong support for the stock. So that's Palantir. I'm long in stock, and I think and with some options as well too. And I think that this stock can really make a move over the next coming weeks and months. Again, it's not going to take off on you after this long, strong move that we've had since the beginning of May, but still sideways action over here, right back up through 20 bucks would be a good sign that the stock is going to make a move back to the $30 level. So that's Palantir Technologies. Thanks for everyone for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.